Hey everybody, Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. I just want to personally say thank you, because if you're watching this video, it means you purchased one of our products and you scan the QR code. These videos are exclusively for the people that scan our QR codes. So thank you for purchasing one of our products. This product right here is the aluminum metal polish. In a few minutes here, I will walk out into the shop and show you exactly how to use this. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so this product here is the Time2Shine aluminum polish. I have here our microfiber pad and our white cotton terry cloth. Both of them are available on GoShine.com/shop. As you can see, the product separates. We will shake this up really well. Don't be fooled by it. It just is what it is. So I'm going to shake this up. As you're shaking it up, you'll hear that rattle. We have an agitator in there that'll help keep it from resettling together. I recommend flipping it 2 different directions and shaking it really well. You will see it turn kind of a greenish color, and that's what we're looking for. So just shake it up really good. Just give it a good shake. I do recommend wearing gloves with this as well. Of course, with any hand polish, you should wear some kind of gloves. It does have solvents in it. Those solvents will dry your hands out and such. Give it a really good shake. When you first try it, it's going to seem a little runny, but once you get used to it, you'll realize you don't need as much as you think. Once your pad is wet, you can stay going. You don't need to keep re-adding more. Less is more with this product. It does have a bunch of waxes and sealants in it. Now this product is not very aggressive. I stress it is not aggressive. This is for use over the top of polish or as a maintainer. This is not a good replacement for something that needs to be cut or something that needs a heavy abrasive. We do have another product for that. Check that out here in our playlist. And here we go. So I got it shaken up. I opened the top. I took the little seal out of it. I'm going to open it up. Get some on my pad here. Just going to kind of get it wet real good the first time. Once it's wet, we're good to go. I'm just going to go in sweeping motions on the wheel. I'm just going to keep going until it starts to turn a little gray, black. I'm going to start to see it haze over a little bit. There we are, we're getting close now. It's starting to turn black and starting to haze over. Sorry about the smell, we couldn't make it smell any better. With trying to make it smell better, we had to put an oily product into it, and I didn't want to make this oily. I wanted to make sure that it was an easy product to take off and remove. So now that we have it on, I'm going to let it just sit and dry for a little bit. You don't want to just leave it for a day, but you want to let it sit and dry for a little bit. Take a clean cotton terry cloth towel, use it to wipe it off. And you can see it's coming off super easy here. I'm not really scrubbing, just wiping. Comes off super easy. Towel's turning black. I'm gonna flip it to a clean side and give it a final wipe. It's coming off super easy. I'm not scrubbing at all. And that's it. Super simple. Now I didn't scratch it up, and as you saw, I didn't use microfiber. As you guys all know, I'm not a firm believer on using microfiber on aluminum. If you look at this towel here, it didn't bunch up and it's not getting scratchy.
But it did leave my nice show wheels on my truck here. Kept them a nice show finish without scratching them up. So hopefully you guys love this product as much as I do. Once again, sorry it doesn't smell the greatest. But we also do sell these gloves on GoShineOn.com/shop. So if you're looking to keep your hands nice and halfway clean while you're polishing, we do offer those as well. But hand polish, microfiber pad, and a white cotton terry cloth is all you're going to need. Like I said, designed for show finish or stuff that's nice to just maintain it, not developed for heavy scrubbing. Thank you guys, appreciate you. And if you're looking to resupply, pick it up on GoShineOn.com/shop.